Welcome to Mirror True Life Story. God bless you as you do so. My lovely fans, I don't know why Grandpapa is trying to protect his son, yo. I don't know why. But for Grandpapa to be asking Daniela to give him the CCTV camera says a lot. This is a camera that holds a lot of evidence, which yo never knew existed, which you never knew was existing. It was after you tried to blackmail May Edochie. With the small power when he gets, with the small connection when you get, you decided to blackmail May Edochie. But what you did not know is that May Edochie have evidence we pass within the courts. Now, a few video from this CCTV camera was sent to Grandpapa, sent to all his children, so that they will know what their brother, what their son did to them. You see, Daniela, I pray may God heal her. Yes, that girl saw things. Like I said, I know if he explain everything when he did for that CCTV camera. If na something when May Edochie go fit play, let her play it. But she should not play it now. Make she fair keep her. At the very right time, she will play that video for you people to see. Aye, human beings are wicked. Human being like Juju Kwesu, human being like Juju Kwesu and yo. They are wicked. People from the pits of hell. Demons living in human forms. My lovely fans, no be small thing they inside CCTV camera. Inside CCTV camera. Now, Grandpapa has sent message begging, using sweet mouth, using totori bobori mouth to deceive May Edochie and the daughter that they should bring the CCTV camera, make him see, make him watch the full video. He said he felt so bad when he watched that video that Daniela sent to him. He said he want to see the full video. Daniela should bring the CCTV camera to him. Let him watch the full video. My lovely fans. Now Daniela tell and say, that video, now the one we send come give una, now una serious. He use that video to warn you people. Say if una son try do anything anyhow, he go collect anyhow. That video that he sent to you people is a sign of warning. Is a sign of to tell your son that he shouldn't bite the fingers that feed him, because those same fingers can also bite him. Hey, my people, not be small action. Now Daniela dey now. Grandpapa is now begging that Daniela should please bring the video camera to him. Let him see what is inside. My lovely fans. Wonder shall never end. Daniela refusal. Daniela say even touch it. He said they will never see that camera. He said the only place where they for go watch up na for court. He said na for court. He said that is a secured evidence against your son. He said what is sent to them is a tip of what is in that camera. If only they know what you did. Therefore beg, therefore tell you and Juju Kwesu every morning if they wake up, they go to kneel down, they go to beg. But because they don't know what awaits them, they should continue. Now court, now they go carry two of the sit down, then go they watch what they did in Ajamasho. My people, evidence full ground. Hey, evidence of Kambili ide ground. Una know say na after Kambili Shuku RIP. Now May Edochie go divorce court. She una know. Because a lot of people are saying May Edochie divorce yo because of what she did to her. No. According to what we hear, May Edochie did not divorce yo because of what he did to her. May Edochie gave you your long rope. Take your time and take your decision. If you want to come back home or you want to stay there. But remember, you can't take two. You have to take one. You have to choose. But Yoyo was still playing the game of taking two. May Edochie not talk. But not until the RIP of her son. That was where the drastic decision of divorcing this man took place. And that CCTV camera have the reason of what really happened. Some people will say, oh, may Edochie go to court. May Edochie go court, go do this. No. Hey, una no understand wetin dey play. Many things are going on behind closed door. You can't play with an intelligent woman. You don't play with them. My people, evidence for ground. You see the way they take catch Yoyo. Yoyo be done ready to blackmail. Yoyo be done ready to blackmail May Edochie, thinking that, oh, it's only the evidence they have in court. Because May Edochie said, keep it. At the right time, everything will come up. Keep it. When Yoyo decide that you want to blackmail May Edochie, they release this one. But they pose the man. So, my lovely fans, they say Grandpapa can't start to the beg. Say, Daniela, my granddaughter, please, don't take this thing to the court. Okay, you say you don't want show. You say you don't want to make it see. But this is a family issue. And it still remain your grandfather. A matter that a grandfather cannot settle. That matter can never be settled. Bring the camera. Bring it. Let them see. Then they will decide or they will tell you what to do. They will know how they will do, what they will do about it. Daniela said that is none of their business. Daniela told the grandpapa, say, when Yoyo carry case, they go court. Won't go judge against the mama. Did he tell you? Grandpapa say no. Now Daniela tell grandpapa, say, why must she come and tell you? Why must she bring CCTV camera to you? Or why must she tell you if they will take the video to court or not? Did your son tell you or he did not tell you? Grandpapa said they not tell her. Now Daniela tell grandpapa, say that is to tell you that your matter, your talk, your voice does not matter in this case anymore. Daniela tell her grandfather, say, the time when your voice matter, you did not use it. Daniela told his grandfather that the time your voice was important, the time you would have used your voice, it don't expire. Your voice counts no more. Your talkings count no more. Your actions count no more. The battle is even beyond you. It's beyond you. Not you, not your children, not your brothers, your sisters, your family members can stop her, Daniela. When she's ready to take her actions, all of them are too small to stop her. They're not rich. They're not born on her. They're not rich. Nobody can stop her. For whatever she move. When that time comes, the decision they want to take with the CCTV camera remains within them. What they want to do with it remains within them. You're not in position to talk in this matter anymore. You don't pass. Concentrate on your old age and concentrate on yourself. This matter is already beyond you. The time you would have used your voice, you were silent. What do you want to talk now? It's of no use. The reason she sent it is for you people to know the taste of the food your son is about to eat. Say now grandpapa when they beg Daniela. Say if you carry your papa go court now, they can't go put your papa for kiri. Will you be happy? Daniela say wait to go stop your happiness. Why won't she be happy? People will do bad thing where they put them, not be kiri. Now it's as they live there. Daniela told his grandfather that his grandfather should be grateful for May Edochie. Because if not she, Daniela, you for the G, life imprisonment. Now if for Puta, for what he did, life imprisonment. Grandpapa can't wake up. He was not able to talk to Daniela. He was not able to talk to Daniela. Because according to wetin we hear, he don't talk to Mia Edochie. Mia Edochie say na Daniela na camera dey with, na video dey with. Make him grandpapa talk to Daniela. Say not being the operator that one. Na Daniela the operator. Say the things wey dey inside the camera is shocking. So grandpapa thought that maybe talking with Daniela will be able to calm her down. Because when Daniela was growing up, he and the grandfather, they be 5 and 6. The grandfather thought that 5 and 6 could still work. But the girl already decided. Because during the time they were going through hell, during the time of their pains, during the time of their tears, grandpapa did not do anything. He did not take any strong action. He failed his grandchildren. It was not only Mia Edochie that was going through those pains. Even the children, they felt it. There is something like divorcing your wife and bringing in another woman. There is another thing called bringing in another woman. When you and your wife have not yet divorced. That thing is not only painful to the wife, it's also painful to the children. Because the children are not ready to accept any woman into their home. They don't want stranger. They don't want an intruder. But all of them were silent. They were silent. The only person that was voicing them was Lincoln. Whether na real fake or I don't know, but Lincoln was the one that was close to Mia Edochie. They go Mia Edochie fair. They support Mia Edochie any way it fits. Even if na real or fake, but at least the way they do the original or the fake, I don't know. Don't ask me. I don't know this I might bet. What that man was doing there. Now waiting will still give Percy hope. Not hope of returning to the brother. Hope to let her know. To let Mia Edochie and their children know that they did not offend this man. They did not do him wrong. They did not chase him. They did their best. And the man I be coconut head when if he say another year word. But the rest of them folded their hands. I wish these people not survive her. I wish they not survive her. Would they have come to be saying, oh, Daniela, please bring the CCTV camera. Let's see what is inside. They say Daniela is the last person when they will even carry this time out and go meet to. See, that girl has become so strong. So strong and so stubborn. I felt that when I say Daniela not the year. If I dey talk and I know they believe me. Daniela not right from the one. Daniela not the year. She know they tolerate. Not be today Daniela be like this. With everything where it can still happen, the girl can become stone. Stone towards any non-sensibility that want to drag her family, drag her mother, drag her brothers, bring them into some kind of no-sensibility. This girl don't stand her ground. Now mama they stop her. Now Mia Edochie they stop Daniela. They tell her right from the one. If I they talk now, no they believe me. People go come talk now, come see and say what I talk now true. Now Mia Edochie now they stop Daniela. Daniela for don't do signs and wonder for Jujweko Insuwa. Daniela for don't pursue you come up for social media. You never see anything. Daniela for don't give her your own food make it eat. But Mia Edochie don't like trouble. You see Mia Edochie, that woman, you know they say soft women. That is Mia Edochie. She don't like trouble. Her own is action speak louder than voice. And not everybody have that character. Not be everybody get the same character. Don't judge people by their character. Everybody is not equal. If you are soft, does not mean that I will be soft. Some people can tolerate till they become tolerance. Some people don't even take one tolerate at all. No how they speak the English. Only once when you mash their toe, they will give it to you. You don't have to blame them because all fingers are not equal. We are not all equal. Some people now only once you go do their something. That person name go reach all their far. All their far go hold their name for inside Quran. They go carry that person name, all witches. Now that name, now they go till they do meeting. Only one thing now you do them. Only one thing. No matter how they come beg, even the ancestors of that person will kneel down to beg on their behalf. They will say, no. Why did he step on my toe? There are people like that. You can't blame them. You can't blame them. All fingers are not equal. There are people you will mash. They will bear. They don't even still take action. So all fingers are not equal. Does not mean that my mother is soft. My mother does not tolerate. Then I too will take the same footstep. Umbano. I felt they tell me, I say, Kai and Daniela. Now two of them be yo karma. They will really deal with that man. They will deal with him. Now make that they will come out, they try to talk good of Kai. Make it be like say Kai can say, oh, my father is good. Since they way give now, since they way talk for interview, say I have contact with my son. Why you never show now say I went to see my son? We not say post the pikin now. Why does he not post one to say I went to see my son? Liar. Why not post lie? My lovely fans. They said Daniela, the way it take boof grandpapa throw away for corner. Grandpapa was shocked. We say time don't expire. They say grandpapa, they say your time don't expire. May you enter us. This matter not concern you again. The matter don't go beyond what you can even imagine. Hey, wonder shall never end though. Yo and Juju, can you people survive this thing when I start to? Can you people survive it? This is not to start trouble. Now who end trouble? This is not about who started the trouble. Now who end the trouble? Now we can't find out. Because yo and Juju has been doing their own. It's Semiri Jaffa. Amargarabumba. I know they forget that, you know. To pepper me, they've been doing their own. Their cup don't full. One dash shall never end. Daniela, please don't show grandpapa quarter of that video. That CTV camera, as soon as keep on saying, gonna continue to the keeper. On their dreams. They say if you see waiting the CTV camera, I not see. I wish I see I for tell you that I not see them. They hide them. So that is something very private when they hide. One leak out, you took one. Now no say another one they will be general one where you go remove from that house when you go hide. See today you not bring that one. But this is another surprising one for him. They say waiting the camera. Everything you need to know about these two people. Everything is there. Everything you need to know about Ekwensu and Juju Ekwensu is there. Daniela say he has already chosen his mother. Daniela say she have already chosen her mother and her mother people. Say you. He's a father of mistake. A mistakenly father that came into a sweet mother's life. Daniela say if they can change the time. He say you if you not enter into May Edochie life. If you not even enter talk less of dating or even having children. He said you is the worst man on earth. That is how evil their papa be. He said he's the worst man. Now wait till they see for CCTV camera. The worst man. One dash shall never end though. Leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Should Daniela give this camera to grandpapa? Make grandpapa for settle matter for inside house according to her. Make them not carry matter go court. Not be everything that they bring come outside. Family sometimes need to protect family. If you agree with grandpapa, let me know in the comment section. But if you believe that the Daniela, the way they hide this CCTV camera, reason best not to them. They say the right time they will bring it up. But now it's not the right time. If you believe that what the Daniela decide is good and it's right for them to hide this CCTV camera from grandpapa and all the families, let me know in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.